change agent, author, lifestyle coach, motivator, teacher, leader, speaker, and empowerment advocate uses her gift to empower others and tap into a power greater than themselves to live their best life.
A lot of people don't set goals. When you don't set
Impactful
goals,
tactics.
it's out of sight, out of mind. With the time management thing, a lot of people say, oh, I can't lose weight because I can go to the gym because what?
Because I don't have time.
There we go. Once I started setting goals, I said, oh my gosh, I can accomplish all of this. Like, I put my mind to it, I wrote it down, I said I'm gonna do it, and I made it happen.
Write it down. I don't care what it takes, but you have to start being serious about yourself and your life and what you want.
Knowledge is not power, it's the implementation of knowledge that's power.
And I never knew, like, it was preparing me for where I am today. So I always tell people, like, don't rush your journey.
Let's not talk about what we expect